Welcome to Game Dev Guidance. My name is Joshua Jackson, and I am the lead programmer for Wasteland Warriors, a horde survival game in development by 2DPK Studios. In this video, I want to dive into the exciting progress our team has made on the core game flow of Wasteland Warriors. This devlog showcases not only the work I've been doing behind the scenes, but also some awesome contributions from our game designer. We're officially beyond just rough player and enemy controllers. Now, the world is coming alive with interactive systems and gameplay mechanics starting to click into place. It's a big step forward, and I'm pumped to share it with you. If you're enjoying the content and want to support the channel, hit that like button and subscribe to stay in the loop, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a new update. We've also officially launched the Wasteland Warriors Discord server. Join us to chat about the game, catch exclusive development updates, and share your feedback and suggestions directly with the team. The invite link is down in the description, and we'd love to have you there. Before we go balls deep in this thing, please remember that everything shown is a work in progress and subject to change. With that said, let's kick things off with a quick tour of the Warriors bunker. This is the command center or main hub where everything outside of the actual gameplay happens. Since the game's set in a futuristic apocalypse, we wanted the bunker to feel like a blend of high-tech gear and salvaged scraps, something that feels both professional and lived in, like a real home base for our crew. This is basically the game's title screen and main menu, all wrapped into one spot. We went with a kind of hologram screen that pops up right from the console near the center of the room. From here, you'll be able to start the game, tweak your settings, or back out if you need to. After making your way down the dimly lit tunnel, you'll end up at the heart of the Warriors bunker, the character selection screen. This is where the crew hangs out between battles. We wanted picking your warrior to feel natural, so each character is doing their own thing in a unique pose, stuff they'd actually be into during downtime. We've definitely got bigger plans for this whole area, but since this sprint was all about getting the core functionality working, this is where things landed for now. Out of all the spots in the bunker, this one's gonna evolve the most as development keeps rolling. From a gameplay standpoint, once you enter the character select screen, you'll notice that up to 4 players can hop in. Just hold the join button, and your keyboard or controller will get assigned to the first open slot. I've got the basic UI in place here, but yeah, it's still a work in progress. For example, if you hold the stats button, you'll see, or rather not see, that the visuals aren't hooked up yet. And while we've locked in our starting roster for the first version of the game, you'll probably notice that none of them have names or descriptions just yet. That's still on the to-do list. Once everyone's picked their warrior, a countdown timer kicks in. It gives you a few seconds to back out and swap characters if you change your mind. But when that timer hits 0, everyone's locked in, and it's off to the mission briefing room, which is technically the stage select screen. There's still a lot of work needed here. But the main goal for this room was to give it a distinct look that sets it apart from the main menu and the character select screen. That's how we landed on this holographic table look, where bits of the stage are previewed using a pretty cool shader setup. Right now, we've only got one real stage, the campgrounds, plus a systems test stage we're using behind the scenes. Eventually, this empty area on the user interface will be filled with stats and other cool stuff related to each stage. But for now, all you can do is select the stage you want to play. We added what we think is a pretty cool exit animation once you pick your stage. Once the door opens and the camera pans through, your selected characters take off running toward the exit, and then the screen fades out, setting the stage for what's next. Like everything else in this development log, it's still a work in progress, but we're pretty happy with how it's coming along so far. I'm trying something a little different with this update, keeping it focused on showing off what's actually been implemented since the last one. The goal is to make things more engaging and hopefully bring some extra energy to the Wasteland Warriors Discord. We'd love to see the community grow and hear your thoughts, ideas, and feedback. If you're enjoying the journey and want to support the game and the work I'm putting in, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, game development is a journey. See you at the next checkpoint.